You ready?
Okay. Where's your phone? Wait, you need your question.
2, 3.
What's up, guys?
That was really
We're back.
cheesy.
Yo, boys.
So this is my best friend, Emily.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say.
And today, as you guys can see by the title, she's my best friend. And we're doing the best friend tag. But should we call it extreme best friend tag? Yeah, extreme best friend tag, because we're going to do some stuff. So we're going to be asking, she's going to be asking 6 questions. I'm going to be asking 6 questions. That'll be 12 total. And whoever gets it wrong each time, we're going to splash water into each other, and the loser is gonna have to jump into the pool, the cold freezing pool in the winter. To start, so let's get right into the video. Swipe it.
Wait, what? What? What do I do?
Remember the funny thing, swiping it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What if it's the other way? Let's do the other way just in case. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is my favorite animal?
Penguins.
I mean, penguins are cute, but no.
Wait, does that mean that you splash it on me?
I'll give you another shot.
Okay. Could I get a hint? Like, is it like a domestic animal, or is it like a wild animal?
It's a wild animal.
Okay. A lion.
No, you're done.
Polar bear.
You're done.
No. Hold on.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
What?
I'm just.
Ready? 1. No, I'm not gonna be
I'm
right
so
up
scared.
here.
I'm gonna be freezing.
You
Oh my
are.
gosh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ew, I got it in my mouth.
I didn't know if I wanted to do all of it or not.
Just making it worse.
There's a towel.
Okay. How did we meet?
Okay. Through Brianna,
Uh-huh.
and you're like where we met or what?
Yeah.
How did we meet? So we met through a friend named Brianna, and I was at my house, she was at my house, and you were coming over, and she gave you my address, and you were walking, and we met you halfway down near Rainbow, that wall right there, that big wall, and we were just like, hi, and we were just really awkward with each other, and then pretty much it. Am I right? Am I
Yeah,
right?
honestly, I didn't even know that's the answer because I thought it was a different day.
What position am I in cheer?
You're a flyer.
Good.
Where was the first place we hung out? Like actual place, like not just at your house, like somewhere that we went.
Town Square.
Yeah.
What shoe size do I wear?
You're a size 7.
Yeah.
What happened the first day we met? Hint. Tragic.
Tragic.
It was tragic. I
Get
thought it
off.
was pretty tragic.
I don't know what we did.
Like, we were getting ready for Town Square, and something happened, and it was really tragic.
I burned my hand. on the
Yes.
straightener. That wasn't the first time we met though. That wasn't.
No, I said the first date. Okay, never mind. Scratch that out. What happened the day that we hung out?
Before, so when we all got ready, and I was straightening my hair, and Brianna put when I left, and Brianna put the straightener down. As I came back, I put my hand down, and it was where the straightener was. It was a big scar all right here. I was screaming and crying, and my mom comes in, starts screaming at me because I'm crying, and it just went crazy. And she was like, "I'm gonna drop." I had all of my friends over, and there was like me, you, Priscilla, Brianna, Daniel, Cody. Is that 6 of us in my house? And then, yeah. No, Cody didn't come. Favorite makeup brand? You should know what it is.
Too Faced?
Yeah.
I have a similar question to you. So, what's my favorite brand? Like, in general.
What, makeup or just in general?
In general.
How am I supposed to know that?
Because you're my best friend.
In general?
Yeah.
That's a lot of things.
Okay, shoe brand.
Shoe brand? Oh, that's easy, Vans. What is me and Daniel's anniversary date?
09 17 07 06 16 12 12
It is
12 12 12
It is
12
but you already There you go. That wasn't even as much. I want to do more. Oh well. I mean, it's kind of obvious who's losing, but
Like, what do I want to major in?
I didn't even know you were going to college.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say like, is it criminal justice?
Yes, I want to be a lawyer.
I'm so glad I'm not jumping in the pool.
Wait, I'm jumping in the pool on top of this?
What zodiac sign am I?
When's your birthday?
Shut up. You should know my birthday first of all.
You're a Taurus.
How'd you know that?
Because I remember these. What's my natural hair color?
Brown.
That you said to make an easy one. That's my easiest one.
I didn't get splashed.
Oh well.
At least it shows that I'm a great best friend.
Me too. She just made those really hard.
Okay, give me a really, really hard one then.
Who was my first love? But you gotta like bleep it out. Could you do the like little bleep thing where it's all like bleep and then it will be like, yeah, you're right. Okay.
I didn't know you before. I don't know who. So it's before. Is it before?
Yeah.
I don't know who you were dating before.
Does that mean I get to splash you?
No.
Yes.
No. No. Oh my God! Please, here.
Ew, it's nasty. Exactly. Same.
Okay. So loser is
Jumps in the pool
Emily.
and is so. The time has come.
Don't you want to go into the deep end?
No,
What if you slam into the ground?
it's okay.
1, 2, 3.
Legs feel like they're gonna fall off. Broke my foot. I like slammed my foot.
I told you to go into the deep end. Thank you for watching, you guys. Obviously,
If you enjoyed the video, like and comment. That's what everyone says, right?
really enjoyed the video, comment down below for more things we should do.
Was your mom talking to you?
Yeah.
Is there really anything else to say? Follow me on Instagram at emily.yasmin and on Snapchat, add me. Actually, don't add me on Snapchat. That's kind of weird.
Everything will be down in the description below. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year.
Is this going to be uploaded on the Chinese New Year's?
I don't know. Bye.
I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in, all feeling go out. This feeling don't drought, this party won't end.